Anushka. Welcome back to another video from the style series. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I like to style my bodycon dresses. I really love bodycon dresses, especially this one that I'm wearing right now. But I have so many pictures in this same dress that I often think how I can style this dress differently, so I can get a little more different pictures, if you know what I mean. I know all of you have been there. This is some of the styling that I do with my bodycon dresses, and I'm going to share it with all of you today. So I hope you enjoy watching this video, and without any further ado, let's get started with the video. That's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching it. In case if you want to watch more videos from the style series, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon right there. You can also follow me on my Instagram. My username is right here. Just suggest me some other items that I can play around with and make more style series videos on in the comments below. Thank you so much again for watching this video, and until next time, bye!